Kyle, Dominic, thanks for coming. I'm riding. You guys want to stay in front of me, you'll stay in the shot.
Okay, Nick goes first and then...
Yeah, first I go.
Yes, Nick.
Nick gets a fucking dashboard view though. Hey Kyle, stop. Stop for a minute. I need you to do me a favor.
Stop.
Yeah, here.
Yeah.
Come around back on my straps. Right here. Here, I'll come in front of you. Look. On this thing here, see this?
Yeah.
I need you to go pull it down. Down. On both sides, pull it down tight. I'm getting too much fucking bounce on the camera.
Does that feel better?
It's got to be tight.
Probably down on the bottom.
Okay, both sides.
We all got some blood.
Huh?
And I'm cutting myself. I'm way down.
All right, you're both of them all the way down?
For the most part, yes.
All right. Let's see if that fucking will stabilize this a little bit better.
Oh, look, it's a pond.
Okay. No, go in front of me. There's a pond down there. Yeah. Why is my bike skipping? It's so much easier than going there. This is so much easier. I'm actually coasting here and there. And I'm in a pretty hard to pedal gear and moving along. We're almost at the end of this part. Yeah. Alrighty. It doesn't take long to get home, dude. rough roots. I don't have to. I can go right across and keep going. Yeah, I'm gonna stop video here. Dog's out. All of them are out. Hi, boys. Wow, there's 4 of you? Holy cow, that is so cool. You're the cutest. Oh, you're the cutest. Hold on. Hey, can I get a quick shot? I want to see this one. What's his name?
That's Kiki.
That's who?
His name is Kiki.
Kiki? Hi, are you friendly, Kiki? Holy cow, you came right up here and gave me a kiss. You even gave my GoPro a kiss.
Yeah.
You are friendly. You are very cool.
Yeah, that's a
Yes.
King Charles Cavalier.
That's a who?
King Charles Cavalier.
King Charles Cavalier?
Yep.
Nice dog, man.
Riding.
Yes, very cool, man. It was a very fun ride. We went up to the quarry and
Yep.
I took pictures and stuff.
Yep. I try to mow and keep it open and stuff and keep it.
Do you mow all the way up to the quarry?
A lot of times I do.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah.
That is very cool, man.
Yeah. Well, it's state land and stuff, and they have people every once in a while, but they're not consistent with it. So I like
Right.
to walk it and stuff, and
I love going up there.
and keep the weeds down. So hopefully the ticks aren't as bad.
I stopped by not too long ago. You have chickens too.
Yeah,
That's kind of cool to see the chickens and stuff
Well,
out
the chickens are for the ticks.
for the ticks.
Yeah, they eat the ticks and stuff. I mean, I try not to let them go down the trail too far and stuff. Keep them around here, but
Right.
any leaves or anything like that. And these guys have invisible fence, so they're friendly. They
Right.
can only go so far,
But they can only go so far.
yeah. But they're friendly. They'll bark if somebody comes by.
Oh yeah, I see his tail wagging
Oh,
and
yeah.
stuff. He's happy.
Yeah, he's a good
He's
boy.
happy doggy. Yeah, I wish people had tails, and then you'd know if they were all, in a good
Yeah.
mood and not,
Yeah.
This is my son. He rode with me,
Hi.
or here,
Yeah.
and his friend Dominic took them up. Dominic's never been up to the quarry. I took him up today.
Yeah.
Never have
Yeah.
been, but I climbed almost everything.
Yeah. Well,
Yeah, he did. He climbed all the stuff with me.
there's my son is like 27 now. If you go down farther, there's some waterfalls off the trail somewhere and stuff.
Really?
They used to go camp out.
Really?
So, yeah, it's about 45 minutes by foot from here and stuff. I've never been, but
It's got to be where the creek crosses, where the trail
be.
won't cross
Yeah,
it.
Must be, yeah.
I was going to try to get down there today, but I wore my legs out so rough.
Yeah.
We rode from Canastota from the
Wow.
village here.
Wow. How was the trail that way? I don't really go that way.
It's good, especially I wish that the old folks, the old man up here, he didn't pass away because his kids aren't as avid with the animals. So usually you had like a gate you
Right.
undid,
Yeah.
and you actually went through a working pasture, and it was really cool because you
Right.
walked right past cows and
Yeah,
stuff.
Yeah.
That ain't been open for a long time.
I know it gets
Yeah.
wet down in there and stuff when it rains because you get the runoff from up above, but yeah, so.
Yeah, this stretch through here gets wet,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
they got good drainage that runs under the
They got
trail
it.
now.
Good.
Yeah. And your neighbors that are further up the trail that got the little railroad crossing up here,
Yeah.
they do pretty well with the trail. They got a nice little bench up there to sit on and stuff, and they fixed the broken one.
Okay, I have a lookout spot up there. There was a chair there and stuff, and I mow that, and then you can look out and see the sunset and stuff, So.
Yeah, Dominic took pictures from there.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah.
It's
Good,
a nice
good.
view.
I like that spot. That's a
Yeah.
nice spot, man.
Yeah.
Good choice.
Yeah,
I like
well,
that.
It was open and stuff. It was easy. So.
Hey, man, it was really good meeting you.
My
Thanks.
name is George.
It's George. My name is Daryl, George.
Nice to meet you, sir.
You'll see me come.
Okay.
I make lots of passes through here in the summer. I love this place.
Yeah,
I do.
I got a mountain bike. I'm thinking about getting an e-bike someday. So.
Those are fun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, enjoy the ride, guys.
Yes, you guys are awesome along the trail, man. I love you guys. Have a good day, man.